Welcome back to Tech Made Easy. My name is Gloria Apiaka, and once again I am going to teach you. I'm going to guide you through on how you're going to best use your computer for your studies, as earlier on promised. So today I'm going to take you through AI. You know, there are very many AI tools that have come up to help you to study better. And I personally like using ChatGPT and DeepSeek. Alright, let's begin with DeepSeek. Now, when you imagine you've been given work assignment or you're reading, but then, imagine you're given an assignment, you're trying to understand maybe the question, you're trying to perceive it, but then maybe the English is too complicated, you've never heard of that word, or maybe you want to understand something that you've been told, but then you fail to get it so well in class. And yesterday I was researching about the ovarian cycle using DeepSeek, and they really explained to me so well that when I went to a textbook, it was much easier to understand. So you open your DeepSeek and you try to sign in. If you don't have an account, you try to create one. Make sure you use a very good password. Then actually all AIs basically they are just used to simplify work, and it matters how you use it. You can use it for education purposes. You can actually use AI to learn different skills, soft skills, how to navigate around, So today I'm going to basically take you through how you're going to use it in an academic way. And actually, let's ask it, how can I study anatomy? How can I best study anatomy? And then you wait a little bit. Within a few seconds, now you see, and it's giving us very, very good information, Now, as you can see, as you can see, they've given us different English foundation and first class, preview before class, attend and engage in class. They literally give you everything you need. You don't even need to go maybe to you don't need to really suffer a lot. You just need to come and ask AI whatever you need. You can even ask it to help you how to describe maybe different structures, session, whatever, depending on what you're studying, and then it will best tell you how to do them. Alright, thank you for listening to me. And actually, DeepSeek is the only AI tool. You can actually use ChatGPT, and the beauty with these AI tools is even after they've given you an answer and you're not understanding it well, you can retype in and you let it know that you want to understand a little bit better. You can even relate what you're trying to understand with real life instances, so that you can best know how to navigate through your work. Alright, that's all for today. I wish you enjoyed, and all the best in your studies. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Help a Friend.